Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a heart shape with the text in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then you want to create a heart shape with text. At first, go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu and we can see here many shape. Now I am select the heart shape. Then draw the heart shape perfectly. Press and hold the shift on our keyboard. Now we can see here the heart shape. Go to the shape format menu, select shape fill and choose the color. You can choose any color. Now I am select this color. Then you can add the outline color, otherwise remove. Now I am click no outline. You want to create heart shape with text, click right button and select edit text option and write any text. Now I am write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Go back the home menu, increase the font size. You can make the font bigger or smaller using any format of font. Now we can see we insert a heart shape or create a heart shape with text easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.